Guys, take a good look. Bring them closer. Look at the size of this shrimp. Yes, guys, we are doing a garlic lemon shrimp today, and these are the ingredients. So let us jump into it. You don't know the regular or salt and pepper or garlic marinade, and we have bay leaf, pimento seed, and some cloves right there. And back to the big boy, our lobster. You know about lobster, the way how it big it a give lobster vibe, right?
Yeah, guys, to the shrimp here big, we have to call it lobster. Because we could have cut the back, could have bisect the backbone, take the V in it, and do it like a lobster style.
True.
But going forward, we're not going to see we do a shrimp like that. So
yes, guys.
Watch what we're going right now.
So you don't know, season from high so it's evenly spread. I'm coming in with that salt and pepper, right? Rub it up.
Bad Chef Alexander. Over the Instagram, chef_Alexander_1, and also chef_Reid_. Yeah, come follow the Bad Chef them over on the Instagram, and we also have a business channel Instagram, Global Interaction JA. So go and take in the video.
Yes, guys, I'm just going to rub this up with the garlic butter marinade.
Take it in. So it's just salt and pepper and the garlic butter rub.
Yes, guys, and whenever you see us use stuff, if you want to see us on the, if you want to see them on the market, you can just let us know, right? Beautiful, guys. This is all it needs, right?
So we're gonna allow this to rest for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll move on to the stove. Let's watch what go on.
Let's go
forward.
Let's go.
Yes, guys, so I know what go on. So right now, should I add some
oil,
just a little.
Yes, guys,
because we don't want the butter to burn, so that's the reason for adding the oil.
And you don't know, coming along with that garlic butter, that's
sizzling.
how we want the fire, guys, and that low sizzle. Yes, that's what we want. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. This is so aromatic and flavorful, guys.
And the butter that we are using to sear over this side, it's a lemon garlic butter.
You don't know, coming along with that bay leaf, pimento and clove. You don't know the vibe, guys. And drop it down in the comment section and let us know if you've ever cooked with these herbs before. If you haven't, you need to. Very flavorful, guys. Very flavorful, as I said before, right?
Alright, guys, so right now you know what come next, the big boy.
All right, and I can proudly say big boy, right? Look at that, guys.
You want to spread him out?
Yes, spread him out. Spread him out. Yes, guys, look at that. Look at that. Such a beauty, right? So we'll see you guys again when we're giving this a turn, or whenever this is.
Yes, it up with some butter.
Yes,
so forward.
Yes, guys, so it's time for the turn. Look at that, lovely, right? Turn him on that side. Beautiful. And I'm just going to base up with the butter, as I said before. And tell me what you think I'm using to do this base. Tell me what you think I'm using. Yes, guys, I'm using a sprung of thyme to get that nice and aromatic, flavorful. Flavor is everything, and that's what we're working for, right? Beautiful. So we'll catch you guys again when we're gonna turn it on the next side and give him a base up again. So forward.
Yes, guys, we are here again, and we're gonna give this another turn.
As we said before.
Wow.
That.
Wow.
Right.
Such a beauty. Get a closer look.
Yes, guys, and as I said before, basting him up again with that garlic butter marinade and our thyme. Flavorful and aromatic, guys. Aroma
is like a perfume for the kitchen.
Beautiful.
Alright, so the next time when you see it, we don't know what time it is. What do you think?
Drop it down in the comment section, but we still have to tell you. Tell them, chef.
Yes, so the next time when you see it, a removal time.
Alright.
So it's so forward.
So forward.
Wait, you know, wait for the final episode. Because we're not done yet. It's so forward.
So forward.
Yes, guys.
So I'm telling you, it's a removal time, but before we remove, give my final turn so you can see that. Look at that beauty, right? Add a final garlic butter base up, and then I'm gonna remove it. Look at that, guys.
Such a beauty.
Beautiful, right?
Such a beauty. Can you imagine how this is gonna look on the plate?
Beautiful, guys. So it's time for the removal, guys. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers, but spam up the comment section. Let's go.
Yes, guys. So we're there now.
Start dropping them comments.
Right there.
Lovely. You know, when you see that raisin mash, you know that's our signature, right? Beautiful. Tell us what you think coming next, guys. Drop it down in the comment section and tell us what you think we're gonna come with next. Beautiful. Look at that, guys.
Guys, you're one of the baddest thing ever walk on earth. Chef Alexander can tell you.
Guys, and when you guys order, you guys give us those compliments just the same. So we're going off what you guys tell us, right?
Because self-praise ain't recommendation, guys. You know that.
Beautiful.
Guess what we are come with next? Right there.
Lovely. Guys, am I the only person that's passionate about what's happening over here? I know you guys are just the same, right?
Right there.
Beautiful.
So before we go any further,
Beautiful, guys. Remember, follow our business page. That's Globalist Interaction JA, no space. You can place your orders over there. So if you see something being prepared over here and you want us to prepare it for you, follow us on our business page. That's Globalist Interaction JA, no space, all lower cases, and let us know and we can have it done for you. Beautiful, guys. Isn't this giving on the beach vibe? You know, playing in the sandcastle vibe. Tell us what you think down in that comment section down below. Alright, look at that funeral rotation. Beautiful. Look at that, man.
oh, yeah, so nice. Nowhere else.
Sharon, this looks so good. Amazing. That's the word. So, now that you've seen it all, we've come to the end of this video. So, until next time, bye, foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?